Cholleros, welcome to our new listing in Velamar. This will be up on the market very soon. This is a great community, good value, bottom floor unit, access to the pool right here. We got drone footage we're gonna show you. 3-bedroom. You can rent this one out. You can use it as a vacation home. This is low density living, and this is El Tule area. This unit has access to the Gran Velas Resort. So you have all the amenities of the Gran Velas Resort, pools, bars, restaurants, gyms, etc. You're about 10-15 minutes to Cabo and 10-15 minutes to San Jose. So you're right smack in the middle of the corridor. Great location. This area is growing a ton. You've got a lot of buildings going around. Now is the time to get in. Let's go ahead and check it out.